DV8 BVK here for BVK Outdoors. Quick heads up before we start soldering. I've already uploaded a separate video where we unbox and check all the parts of this Pixie CW kit. You can find the link down below for the Pixie CW kit component check. Ham radio. So make sure to check that out first. Let's fire up the soldering iron and start building this little CW rig. As always, we begin with the lowest profile components, the resistors. There are 8 resistors in this kit, each with a different resistance value. I check each one, page it on the PCB, solder both leads. And trim the excess wire. Next are the capacitors. We have 11 capacitors and we'll install them one at a time. Each capacitor goes in, gets soldered cleanly, and the leads are trimmed right away. Now we move on to the active parts. We begin with the bridge rectifier. Followed by the 2 diodes, watching of course the polarity carefully. Then the 2 transistors go in, aligned properly with the PCB markings. This is where the Pixie starts to come alive. Here's the heart of the Pixie, the 7.023 MHz crystal oscillator. This component defines our operating frequency on the 40-meter band. Next are the 3 inductors. These components help filter and shape the RF signal. Each inductor goes into its proper location, soldered securely and trimmed. Before moving on, we add the red LED for polarity check, long lead to positive, and it's soldered in place. Now install the 4 electrolytic capacitors. These are polarized parts, so we double check the plus and minus markings before soldering. Once installed, the power and the audio sections are properly stabilized. Next is the 47 kilo ohm variable resistor. This will be used for adjustment during operation. And now we move on to the larger components, the DC power jack, the BNC antenna connector, and the 2 3.5mm audio jacks. We also installed the pin header with its jumper cap, and finally the buzzer. And now for the final component before we power up this rig, the LM386 audio amplifier IC. This chip handles the receive audio, so we always install it last to avoid unnecessary heat stress during the build. for transmitting, we prepare a dummy load using a 51 ohm 1 watt resistor. This will protect the transmitter during testing. And we connect it to a 12 volt power supply. And for keying, we simply use a screwdriver. And there we go, the Pixie keys up successfully. A simple CW transceiver, fully assembled and ready for alignment and on-air testing. And that wraps up the build. I'd like to thank everyone for watching the video. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down below. I'd be happy to respond. Please don't forget to hit like, share the video, or even subscribe to the channel for more ham radio and outdoor content. This is DV8 Bravo Victor Kilo for BVK Outdoors 73.